Artificial intelligence has transformed the way we live, work, and connect. In this video, we're going to explore the AI tools that are most important in our daily lives. First, we have virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These AI tools help us stay organized, set reminders, and even control our smart home devices. They make everyday life easier by managing tasks with just a voice command. Next, recommendation systems on platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and Spotify. These AIs learn our preferences and suggest content we're likely to enjoy, making entertainment more personal and engaging. AI-powered navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze give us real-time traffic updates and find the fastest routes. These tools help us navigate efficiently, saving time and reducing stress. In healthcare, AI assists doctors with diagnosing diseases, developing treatment plans, and even helping in surgeries. These tools improve accuracy and make healthcare more accessible. Customer service chatbots on websites and apps help answer questions instantly. They're available 24/7, making it easy for us to get help whenever we need it. AI tools in finance help us manage budgets, track expenses, and make investments. Apps like Mint and robo-advisors like Betterment make financial planning easier for everyone. AI helps keep our personal data secure. From facial recognition on phones to fraud detection in banking, these tools protect us from identity theft and cyber threats. From simplifying our routines to protecting our data, these AI tools have become essential parts of our lives. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more on the latest in AI and technology.